Today we will be going over how to recalibrate your Shore 930 scale with a 500 gram weight, and how to set a bias adjustment in case you need to compensate for some moisture loss between the field and your grain elevator. To recalibrate the scale on your 930, first turn on the unit and clear the scale of any containers or debris. Next, press the Weigh button. This will zero the scale. From this screen, press the Menu button. Two options will appear, one to calibrate and one to abort the calibration process. Select the Calibrate option by pressing Test. The screen will tell you to weigh out 0 grams, which should already be on the scale, so press Test. It will then ask you to place a 500 gram weight on the scale, which is included in your 930 package. Press Test, and it should show 500 grams plus or minus 0.5. To finish the calibration, just hit Enter and you will return to the commodity screen. We can use the same Weigh button to get our sample size for a test. All you have to do is press Weigh, which will zero the scale. Then place an empty container on the scale. You can use the pint cup included in your 930 package. From here, press the 0 button to clear the weight of the container. Then, fill the container to the desired weight. For most commodities, a sample size of 200 grams is required. After making your sample size, remove the container and press Test to return to the commodity list. From here, we can set a bias adjustment as well. Just press Menu, and the first option to come up should be Adjust Grain Calibration Bias. Press Enter to make a bias adjustment to any commodity. In this case, we can change corn. Right now, there is no set bias adjustment. To change that, we press Enter to select the commodity, and then enter a new bias value by using the up and down arrows. Let's say that your elevator is running a point higher on moisture than your 930 is. So we can go in and change that reading to a point higher on your 930, so that what you read on your 930 will match what you measure on your elevator. To save your new bias, simply press Enter, which will take you back to the menu. From here, you can press Menu to go back to the commodity list. Thanks for watching this video on how to recalibrate and set bias adjustments on your Shore 930. We'll see you next time.